Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to change your location on Tinder. So for that you must first have Tinder application and you must be logged in. I already have both, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Tinder application. So once you tap on your Tinder application, on the bottom right you'll see profile icon. You'll have to go and tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on the profile icon, you'll have to go and tap on the settings icon at the top right. So once you tap on the settings icon, you'll reach this space where you'll have to go and tap on location on the discovery settings heading. So once you tap on the location, you'll have to tap on add a new location, that is written in blue alphabets. So once you tap there, you'll see how you have to be a premium account holder to change the location. So if you're not a premium user, all you can do is go and delete your account and start over again. So that is another way of changing your location, or else you cannot change location. So that is it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for joining in. Until next time, bye bye.